Welcome guys, this is my hammer Pure Envy review. I'm gonna throw a couple shots to warm up, throw a couple shots comparing it to my Envy Tour Solid, and then I'm gonna see how quickly I can get to 10 strikes. Hopefully, 10 strikes, I can get there in 15 or less shots. I think that's a good goal, but for right now, let me kind of warm up and tell you what this guy's all about. It looks like it hooks a lot. First shot strike. Oh, the 510. I will say, a little preface, my Envy Tour that I have is actually a little shiny. I polished it the other day just to try and, I don't know, if you guys want to check it out on the main channel, there might be a special video coming up about this, why it's polished. Strike. You get one more shot to get loose. I think it's big and slow, it feels like. Now that I'm warmed up, let's talk a little numbers. This ball, the layout that I have on it, beep, boop, boop, beep. Mass bias down here by my pinky. The layout that I have on this Pure Envy, it's gonna be a 60 degree by 4 3/4 by 65. That is the layout I put on most of my asymmetric balls. And then if I really like the ball or if I think it's really close, I'll drill another one and tweak the layout just a little bit. That's the layout on this one. I'm now gonna get lined up with it. As we get through this race to 10 strikes, as I like to call it, we're gonna try and get there in under 15 shots would be the goal. Right where I was at, probably 20 out to 16 at the arrows, maybe 5, 6 at the break point is gonna be where I'm gonna start off. Bang! Probably 3 or 4 boards stronger than my Envy Tour. And as we go through our little spreadsheet that we have, you can click the link down below. We'll pull some of the balls up throughout this video, but the Envy Tour Solid I have on the spreadsheet as a 775 overall hook potential. I would probably update that a little lower right now. However, it's because I polished it. So right now for me, the Pure Envy, if the Envy Tour Solid was a 775, I'd probably give this one either an 8 or an 8.25. It definitely might not be as strong as the Black Widow 3.0 Solid, which I gave an 8.5. So I'd probably settle this right at an 8.25 overall hook. And we're 1 for 1 on strikes. Two for 2. Our scale is a 5-part grading system. We go with overall hook, length, back end, house shot, how good it is on the house shot, and then how good it is on the sport shot. If it's gonna be more your league ball or more for me, like my tournament ball. All we've done right now is overall hook. I gave it an 8.25. The back end, I don't think it offers a whole lot of back end shape. The back end shape that you're seeing right now is probably created by my hand right here, getting a little more around it. I will say it is more dynamic than, let's say, a Black Widow 3.0 if you're looking at that ball. The length, I gave that one a 3. I'd definitely give this one more than a 3. I'd give it a little more length than the Black Widow 3.0, a little more dynamic, a little flippier in the mid lane and down lane, but probably a 4 or a 4.25. So I'm gonna give it a 4.25. I think it's a little longer than I think it is, but we'll keep talking as we go. So right now, length 4.25. I'm gonna throw one more shot and we're gonna talk about the back end. My last one went really high flush. Should I move? Yeah, we're gonna give away a ball if this video can reach above 200 subscribers from this video specifically. I'm only giving it 1 week to get there. So all of you guys out there, click that subscribe button down below. Let's run this channel up 20,000 or more subscribers. We'll give away some bowling balls along the way and hopefully make a lucky fan out of you out there. So all you gotta do to enter that giveaway is click that subscribe button, and there's a link down below in the description that says giveaways. Click that link, enter your email, and that way if you're the lucky winner, we can email you, get your address, and get that ball shipped right out to you. I shouldn't have moved. 2 for 3 on strikes right now. Back end. Let me actually, to show you guys the back end, I'm actually just gonna throw it a little slower from the same spot. That one actually ran the 9-pin over, so right now I'm 3 for 4. Hand a little more around it. I slowed the speed down. Back end, if I'm comparing it to other balls, way less than the Effect, which I gave a 9 out of 10 for back end. Way less than the Hazmat, which I gave an 8.25. Wow, I gave a lot of these hammer balls a lot. Big numbers down lane. The New Blue, I gave a 5 for back end reaction. Probably less than that even. I would put it, the 3.0 I gave a 2.5 on back end. I'm probably giving this I'll give it a 4.5. I'll give it a little more back end reaction than it does down lane and length. So I'm giving it a 4.5 in back end. And now I'll give it a house shot rating and a sport shot rating. I'm gonna throw a couple more shots before I give that, just to see how well it'll handle some of the transition on the house shot here. Push, 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 push. Push, 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 push. Woo! Almost a trip 6. Not quite, but the 6 was the last pin to fall. Do I move or do I just, throw it better and not give it the drop shoulder slap on it at the bottom? That's what I'll do. 4 of my first 5. On pace for a good game here. Really good shot. Really good shot. Yeah, I rolled that one a little bit better, but it was a phenomenal shot. I think this is a ball for me that I'm really gonna like on the house shot just because it's so smooth. It's not crazy early. I gave it a 4.25, but it's smooth enough for me to use pretty much on any house shot. Whether there's a lot of oil or a lot of hook, it's gonna be game one ball out the bag. It's not crazy strong like that Black Widow 3.0, but it's not really weak like a Beyond Infinity where it's gonna go sideways down lane and I gotta play a really steep angle out the gate. I can keep it in front of me, floats through the front, makes a smooth, controllable motion down lane. So what will I rate it? 5 of my first 6. Got way around that one. Bad shot, bad shot. Gotta keep my hand a little more up the back here. Really good. Really good. Kept it up the back, and as you saw, made a very controllable motion. This ball seems a little sensitive to what my hand is doing, whether that's the house shot itself or whether it's the ball. I think it's just the house shot, but it's a strong enough ball. It's gonna respond well to whatever moves I make. I currently have 6 strikes and 8 shots. That's high percentage, 3 out of every 4. I'm on pace to beat that 15 of 10 that I like to beat. Hook, 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 hook. Oh my God, that shot was so bad. I need to throw better shots than that. House shot rating. Right now, I'd probably give it like a 7.5. It's not gonna be a ball that's perfect for everybody, but for those of you who have higher ball speed, who like it to hook, or those of you guys who rotate it a lot and get your ball to go sideways, this one's gonna control the pocket really well. I would not say if you're bowling on a wood house with no oil that this is the perfect ball for you, unless you have like 50 reps. But that's a very specific situation. I think everybody's gonna get a lot of use out of this ball just because it controls the pocket so much. Wichita, Kansas City, Oklahoma City, Dallas, St. Louis, wherever I'm going, I'm probably bringing this ball just because it seems to fit a lot of scenarios, which also makes it good on the sport shot. I got a couple more strikes to throw before I rate it for the sport shot, but stay tuned. Awesome shot. Awesome shot. Yeah, that was perfect. That's gonna strike no matter where I throw it. That shot was perfect. So not really gaining any information for you there, but I am 8 of 10. I think now is a challenge. I could go 2 of my last 2, finish out this 250 game, or I could move like 5 right and try and rotate it a little bit and show you guys how versatile this ball is, which is what I'm gonna do. It is a risky play because I still wanna stay under that 15 number, and I need to go 2 of my next 3. No, I have 3 misses. I need to go 2 of my next 5. Going 5 right, going a little slower, get my hand around. Hey now, a little 2-4, was that a 2-6? Maybe I'll touch them both with the ball. But as you can see, like that is exactly what I was looking for. I wanted to wrap my hand around it and see it go a little more sideways down lane. It shows me that the ball is more versatile. If it did the same thing and was super slow and loopy down lane, I would tell you that it's probably a very specific situation ball, but like it was a ball that would only work on certain patterns or certain lane conditions. But the fact that I get my hand around it and it goes around the pattern sideways, that's a good sign. No chance. Didn't give it nearly enough rotation. Currently 8 of 11, I need 2 of my next 4. And like I said, I'm staying right, I'm rotating it. I'm gonna throw a little faster than that last one because I threw the last one slow and I hit it a little bit, but yeah, I'm staying right where I'm at. I'm gonna throw this one a little harder. See how sideways the ball goes through the pins. Not my favorite shape, not my favorite thing to do, but the ball is responding well to the adjustments that I'm making. Sport shot rating. I got 1 shot left. I'll give you the sport shot rating and then I'll give you where it fits in my bag when we're all done. I'm probably going to give this ball, I would say a 7.5 on the sport shot. It's super versatile. I think I'm gonna bring it pretty much everywhere I go, just because I think it looks good. I think it responds well to what my hand does. It makes the right shape on the lane. I'm gonna bring this ball pretty much everywhere I go. I don't wanna give it a crazy rating like an 8.5 or 9.5 just because I'm not gonna be able to throw it on every pattern no matter what. I am, but it's not gonna be my best option, let's say like a urethane ball. But house shot, sport shot, this ball is super versatile. I'm gonna go a couple more right, keep that speed high, keep that hand all the way around it. Another 5 right. I'm actually going slower speed. I'm gonna go 7 right. Yo, that hooked so early. What? Once again, I went 8 right. I'm like, now I'm standing on 33. The appropriate place is probably 21, but it's still hitting the pocket. I got to strike on my next shot to get that. I think it would be 14. Go back to 21, throw it good. Actually, nah, I'm just gonna throw a strike. From deep. All right, I guess it's about that time. If I want to go 10 to 15, throw it from the right spot, throw a strike, call it good. This ball is versatile. I lofted it to get rid of the early hook, and then it boomed down lane. So I'm gonna go back to where I should throw it. I'm gonna throw a strike for you guys, end it, tell you where it fits in my bag, where it could fit in yours, and then we'll close this bad boy out. So bad. Yeah, but if you're in the right spot, you can throw it as bad as you want and it'll still strike. That's the beauty of the Pure Envy. What I'd say about that ball, where it fits in my bag, game 1 of league, game 2 of league, kind of before the transition hits and with me moving in and it's still coming around the side pretty good. I think it'd also be through that transition game and maybe even into game 3 for some of you guys where the lanes aren't changing a whole lot. But for me, first ball out the bag in league, in tournaments, first or second ball out the bag, I might bring like a mesmerized, which would be stronger than that. But for right now, that ball is at the top of my league bag because a mesmerized is probably a little too strong. But for you guys out there, great ball for league, for tournaments. This is one of the most versatile pieces in my bag, and it will be in yours. So you can check out the link down below, buddiesproshop.com/Packy. Pre-order yours today. If you're a 2-finger bowler, you can get $10 drilling at Buddies Pro Shop when you order online. It's super easy, super quick. All you gotta do is order this ball, buddiesproshop.com, $10 drilling on all 2-finger balls. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.